Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. What's your problem? Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to, oh, that's why. They play a commercial and she don't like it. So I'm about to clean my room because as you can see in certain videos, my room look a mess. But it's time to clean. So, yeah, just gonna be with me cleaning. I'm also in the middle of doing my work too. My homework. So I think this is gonna be like a 2-day video, to be honest. These diapers out of here. I have to try to clean quick because this room, just look. What's funny though, it's not even that bad. All you gotta really do is fix your bed. That already makes up 10% of your room. And then this, I already told y'all last time in my last video. This right here, that's her toys and some of my clothes on top of it and blankets, but they're all clean. That's the thing. I have so many clean stuff just laid around. I don't know where to start, bro. Maybe I'll start with this closet first. This area. Let me see. I'll put y'all right here. Hey, excuse me, stop touching my butt. Thank you. Alright, these are clean. So therefore, I have to hang my jeans back up. I'll be slacking. Sometimes I'll put double jeans on one hanger. So that's why I have my bag right here, because if I don't feel like putting it in a drawer or hanging it up, it's going right in that bag. What? This has to get hung up. I'm really not even supposed to be picking heavy stuff up. This I'm going to wash again just because, one, I have a cat. You know how cat hair be. 2, for some reason, bless you, with the black shirts, always getting lint on it. So I got to wash that again. And this, I want to hide it from her, but she's going to start complaining. Here, look, I'm trying to climb out. She loved that toy. I don't know what to do with her toy bag, bro. She has so many toys. Then she has a freaking robot bike over there she doesn't even use. I don't even put her in it. How long I've been recording? 4 minutes. Guys, I don't know. Some stuff I just like washing over, to be honest. But this is what I carry her in if I'm real busy and she keep complaining. Y'all know the little carrier. This is her, and I don't even think it fits anymore. So we're gonna see about this. I'll probably give it to the thrift. And this too. My girl getting big out here. This I'm gonna wash again. This is her blanket. I'm gonna wash this again. This is my bed sheets. I'm gonna wash that. I might as well just wash all the blankets. Shirt, blanket, wash. This is clean. Yeah, I just be having stuff laying around. I gotta stop doing it. This I can wash again. I have wigs laying around. This is that wig that I don't like, that I spent money on, and they gave me a fucking half synthetic. This is my little heating pad. This is her rag. These are her toys. Can y'all even see? Yeah, she got mad toys. I don't know what to do with it. I have to put it in one corner because it's not gonna fit my closet. I doubt it. It is days later, and I'm just now about to clean my room again. I never finished. I started something else, but then I just never finished. So now, my daughter's sleeping, by the way, so that's why y'all already know the drill. But, so I emptied out this space right here. And I think I want to put my vanity back over there, but in front of the window this time. And then push this playpen where my vanity is. I do have to clean my vanity off first though, before I start moving stuff, because I don't need nothing falling. And yeah, I know I look crazy, but guess what? This is a cleaning video / spring reset. So yeah, I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna move this. I have to move this out the way in order to start sliding. But I do have to remove these things on the floor first. And then that way I'm able to move the dresser. The vanity. So I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all that part. I might, but I'm also charging my camera, so I'm gonna let it charge for a little bit while I'm cleaning up, and then I'll record again. Ways got ways too complicated for me. switch my bed again like that and be like this. But I don't know. I hate when I don't know what to do in my room. My vanity is where I want it to be. I'll probably just push it a little bit more over there. I think I'm gonna move this playpen over here. Alright, now I'm gonna push my vanity over here a little bit, and then this stuff over here, I'm gonna organize it, of course, and then I'm gonna move it out the way, and I think I'm gonna switch my bed back this way. We'll see. I don't know what to do with this stuff, bro. It's annoying. But majority of it, I probably won't even film. I'm not even gonna lie, because it's a lot. And then I gotta do this corner too. I have to fix some stuff. So I'll see where it takes me. But right now, I'm gonna move my vanity. Got my little vanity on. Leave that there. It do look crowded a little bit. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. This. Probably throw that in there too. I'm hungry. I still didn't even eat anything somewhere. Y'all like my little candle? My sister got it for me. It's an iced coffee. That's cute. So now I think I'm gonna focus on this corner because it's pissing me off. All right, y'all. Yes, I look crazy, I know, but this is how it's looking right now. Way better. That's Halo's bed, my dog. I just don't know. Yeah, I'm eating a banana. I didn't eat breakfast. What time is it? It's 4:00 p.m. But I just ran up the stairs. That's why I'm out of breath. Hold on, baby. So this right here, I'm trying to figure out still what to do with it. I just don't know where to. Never did I say you could turn around. But anyway, yeah. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. So I already did that. Hello, cart. I have so many things, I just don't know where to put it. Like, I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. And a lot of this stuff, too, is my nail stuff. But I'm gonna get back to you when I'm done. It's too much. Boom. Alright, this is how my room look like right now. Honestly, I didn't know where to put all this, so there it is right there. Hello playpen. The little dog's bed. Her walker, this little stuff right here. I don't know where to put it. As long as it's neat, to be honest, I really don't care. And then this, I still have to figure out what to do with that. These I'm gonna hang up. That's my jackets and sweaters and all that. So I'm gonna hang that up and then close the closet. But pretty much everything is done. If you ask me, my vanity was looking crazy. And then this thing, I'm so ready to take it off. Like, it's not even funny. It's so annoying. And here's me. I still look crazy. Yeah, I know. I'm about to go take a shower, though, after my sister. And it's raining outside a little bit. I got some pineapple juice with raspberry lemonade, I believe. I like mixing my juices. I don't know. I should be a bartender at this point. But I want to start drinking coconut water again with raspberry leaf tea. I was drinking that when I was pregnant, so I don't know. I just feel like it's gonna bring back memories. I don't know. It was good though, so I'm gonna start getting it again. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it here. I don't want it too long. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.